Ryan here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Drake Ozment with me. Drake is a partner at Ozment Merrill, and we have like a bunch of questions here, Drake, actually, from some of our viewers. One of the questions is what is the difference between Chapter 7 and 13?
Okay, Chapter 7 is a shorter form of bankruptcy. It only lasts 4 months. You're not setting up any kind of payment plan with your creditors. You're going to discharge your unsecured debt, your credit cards, medical bills, and then you'll have the option of whether to reaffirm or continue paying your car or homes or other secured debts. We always separate things from secured debts and unsecured debts, and you have options in a 7. In a 13, you have the same options with respect to your secured debts. You can pay your house, you can pay your home, you can catch up your mortgage payments in a 13. You can pay off a car in a 13 plan. And you'll also pay a little bit to the unsecured creditors where you wouldn't in a Chapter 7. And that depends on how much equity you have in the things that you own. How much stock you have, how much money you have in a bank account, how much furniture value you have. So we look at the value of your assets to determine how much you will pay your unsecured creditors in a Chapter 13.
You've given us some great information, Drake. What if somebody? Well, first, before I even go into that, what additional final parting words do you have for the people that are watching?
Well, I think a lot of people are frustrated and have a lot of debt and just don't know how to handle it. And oftentimes they'll wait months, maybe even years before they come in and see a bankruptcy attorney. And I encourage them to, if you're feeling overwhelmed, come on in and talk to a bankruptcy attorney, get some information, find out what your options are, and then you can make an informed decision about whether bankruptcy is right for you and when and if you wish to file.
Okay, sounds good. Now, if somebody wants to get a hold of you, how would they get a hold of you? And I've also heard that you have, maybe there's some sort of a special offer that you have for people that are first-time customers. Do you have anything like that, or no?
Well, as long as they mention this ad, they'll be given a $150 discount on any fees that they pay to us as part of a new client file. They can reach us at 561-689-6789, and they can visit us on the website at ozmentmerrill.com, OZmentMerrill.com, and set up a free consultation at either of our 2 offices in West Palm Beach and Port St. Lucie, Florida.
Awesome, Drake. Thank you for all the great information. I know it's been valuable to me. I'm sure our listeners have found a lot of value in the questions that you've answered, and I'm sure that the people that visit your website over the years are going to find a lot of valuable information in the questions that you answered today. So thanks. We're going to come back and get some more questions answered from you. I got another 40 or so questions that we're going to ask you over the coming weeks or coming months, and so I look forward to getting those questions answered from you, so that when before people even come into your office, they'll know, they'll have a lot of the answers to the questions they have. So I think they'll be a better prepared consumer, and they'll be also a more informed consumer. So I think it's a win-win. So thank you, and we'll talk again soon. Okay?
Okay, great, Ryan. Take care. Bye.